Hey YouTube, welcome back to a little bit of life. Today I have for you this rubber Milanese style Breitling strap in blue, along with a bunch of other really cool straps on the table. I have it on my 44mm SuperOcean II. I think this is a really beautiful watch, really easy to read. I'll have a more dedicated video on it later. For now, this band, I purchased it from Breitling.com. I believe it was $465. It's a 22mm and it tapers down to a 20. It comes on this awesome push button style folding clasp. It's probably one of the nicest ones that I have from Breitling. They do have quite a few options on their website for finishes on the clasp. I went with the brushed look so that way it matches the lugs. They have a high polish clasp, I believe a DLC in steel and titanium, a titanium clasp, and then the Breitling clasp as well, which is like $1,000. You can see it's very easy to open and close, very solid. And one of the coolest features that this band has is the 6 micro adjustments here, which is really easy to use. And if you push on this little lever here, that's how you make it bigger. You do have to remove the watch from your wrist in order to make the adjustment bigger, but you could make it smaller while you're wearing it. Here it is next to the more traditional stamped clasp. You can see it looks more robust, even though it doesn't weigh very much. It's just more sturdy, if you will, and a lot cleaner looking. You can see the micro adjustments on the bracelet, the little holes on the outside, but you need a spring bar tool in order to adjust it. You can see the nice raised Breitling logo here on the left. I think it just looks nicer in general than the original one. Now you might have noticed that neither of my bracelets say manufacturer in Swiss. I believe sometime after 2017 they might have outsourced and they no longer say made in Switzerland. The deployant clasp on my Navitimer does say it, and it honestly feels the nicest, the most robust, and the most well made altogether compared to these two. This rubber band is very lightweight, comfortable, very malleable, very easy to wear. I was afraid that it would make me sweaty in the summer months, but it's quite the opposite. It's actually one of my favorite bands to wear in the summer. You can see how easily it'll conform to your wrist. The holes that you see here are actually at every perforation line. You're supposed to cut it in order to adjust it. Now once you cut the plastic, it's obviously permanent, so you gotta make sure you don't go too far. I think I cut one too many, but it still fits very good thanks to the adjustment. But next time I'm gonna make sure that that I leave one extra link for those really hot summer days where you're clammy. It does say Breitling on both sides, and it's kind of inside a groove just to wick away any sweat or moisture that might be under there. Here's a little wrist shot. I have 7¼ inch wrists. Right now I have the adjustment as big as it can go, and I'm going to work it down 2 at a time. Breitling does feature different colors and different styles of bracelet that could fit on this clasp. Honestly, I don't really like this blue for some reason. I'm not sure if it's the texture or just the tone of blue, but I don't think it makes the watch look prettier. I know I mentioned that it's a really comfortable and a really nice strap, and it is, but it's just my own personal taste. I prefer the bracelet on this watch, or the black rubber strap that you can see on the table in the background. But the black strap that I currently have is a Tang style, so I want to get the version that'll fit this clasp instead. I know when I'm looking to make a big purchase like this, I kind of just want to see every angle and really get a good feel for what it's going to look like. So I'll do my best to showcase every angle in case I missed any of the details. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.